Hello guys, welcome back to today's session. Code VDK sir once again. I warmly welcome to all of you. So I hope you guys doing fine. So today's session we discuss normal program like how to display hello and how to use multiple variables and addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? And we discuss like how to add the string concatenation with the plus, how to space it out between, right? Today, we are going to see how to use escape character in Python. How to use escape character. So some are very important, which I want to discuss. Like first one, backward slash n. Backward slash n used for new line. Like very simple example. Suppose I take a text one, like t1 equals to I given here like hello student, welcome to DK class. Whatever you want, you can write. Welcome to DK class. Okay, and a simple print here. Even yesterday I also discussed the backwards lesson because the most probably we are using like a print even. I want to break the line, so simple after student I want to break it, so I given like a backwards slash n here, and simply you can see backwards slash n. So break the line. We can use second one. I want like a backwards slash t, like a backwards slash t, backwards slash t used for space between text. So like I take it same text, I just take it here and I take it like t2 in the variable, and I just print here t2. Okay, and I want is backward slash t, t for tab, t stand for tab. Okay, so I just want a space, you can see the space between, see. Okay, same as you can use for the backward slash b, backward slash b, backward slash b used for backspace, used for delete the text from back, just like in keyboard. So very simple, I take it like t3, like mention here welcome, t3 equals to welcome to Python class my dear students. Okay, so I want backward slash b like Python, I just use here backward slash b, and I just want to print here print t3. So now you can see in Python n has been removed. Okay, so this is where you can use it. Like if I want to apply all in one place. Okay, like here I take like t4 text 4. Like here I give like we have to learn logic building, logic building for programming languages. Print like t4. Now I want to give it here. Like here I given backward slash n. Okay, I given here backward slash t. Here I given backward slash B. So I can apply all. So you can see B have I will use microsoft to break it the line. T the space up to the logic here and B. So see delete the like for delete the R you can see here. So this is where you can apply all. Yesterday I've already discussed about the multi-line string as well. We covered the multi-line string. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the variable here basically. What is a variable and how to declare the variables. Right. So very simple example like how to declare the variable in Python. Like very simple example, make sure Python is a highly case sensitive programming language. So once you go for this, you have to take care, right? Because if you whatever variable you declare, you have to use the same way. Okay, you can't like oh like something different and like this. So variable should be you take it meaningful. So let's see how can we go for this. Like here, I just take a variable dks and here I say hello students. Okay, and I just print here dks it's printed. But here if I choose the wrong variable, see I given capital D. So what I did here you can see here, right? Here you can discuss. Here you can see like a dk is not defined here. Did you see here? Dk is not defined. Why? Because my variable name is something and you are using something, right? So here you can see dk is not defined. So that's the way you have to take care for the value. If I declare the capital, you have to use the capital. If you declare the small, so you have to use the small variable. Okay. So make sure. Even second, I want to show you guys. Like I taught you guys the logic error. So in logic error, what happened? So logic error simply have to go block indentation. Like my program is correct. See, once you run this, print dks unexpected indent. Did you see here? So this is where you can track your block indentation error. Block indentation means space we're talking about. Okay. Did you see here? Block indentation. We talking about the space here. Okay. So you have to take care for this. I hope you guys clear. So this is where we have to take care for the block indentation. Okay. So I hope you guys clear till now. All right. Fine. So this is where you can take for the block indentation, right? Now you can see, okay. Again, anyway, once you declare the variable, you have to be careful. Like whatever we mention, you have to be just put it here. Like anywhere, like a number or anything you are taking. So this is where you have to take care for this. Next, suppose you want to make a data types here. So normally data types are going to cover up based on the data, like suppose which kinds of data entered by the user, right? So data types in Python. Okay. So what is data type basically and why we have to use it? So which kinds of data enter by the user, right? Which kinds of data enter by the user in computer? It can be integer, it can be string, it can be any particular values, right? So that is called data types. Okay. So data type define the which kinds of data enter by the user, that is called data type. And what is data types, that we will discuss. And types of data types, see they have different question. Like normally what happen once you go for interview, in interviewer asking the question what is data types, then what you guys started integer, float, string and all. That is totally wrong. Listen the question. Interviewer said what is a data type. He or she didn't ask what is the types of data type. Point to be noted. So make sure data type is another question. What is a data type and types of data type is another question. Okay, clear? Same as like interviewer asking what is operator. A student started types of operator, arithmetic operator, relational operator, comparison operator, logical operator. It's not like that. They just asked the question what is an operator and types of operator. Both are the different question, not a same to same. Okay, is it clear? So data type, which kinds of data enter by the user. Okay, so in Python, once you go for data type, so you have to first we define the data type here. Like if I want say integer, it's called numeric. Numeric means number. Numeric means number 0 to 9. Okay, then second one is string. In Python, string like string go for like a string you have to mention like alphabets and number. Okay, just like your email id. So in Python, like email id, like suppose say dks11 at gmail.com. Okay, and here a string in Python we have to define str. Next one, float. Float means decimal value. In Python, float we are writing float. In Python, there is no double data type. So float we have to mention float. Okay. So it's a decimal value. It's taking. Then next one we have to take it complex. These are basic data type we are discussing. Like integer. So I numeric is called in short in Python. Once you declare integer int, float, and we're going for the complex. Complex. Complex always combination with the like here we take like numbers and like a j is a constant here because j previously it was n but it's not able to decode, that's why they put it the j here. And next one is a boolean. What is boolean? Boolean is what is called bool in Python. Boolean always written what, which expression, true and false, true and false value. Okay, so these are your data types. But if you want to check your data type, how can we check this is integer, float or what? Okay. So how to check data type in Python? So we have to use type function. We have to use the type function for check the data type. Data type. Okay. See, once you declare the function or method anywhere, we have to always use the parenthesis bracket. It can be any programming languages. Like very simple, I take n equals to, like I given some number, I just print here, like I will give it type function, like given the variable n, whatever I declared. So you can see integer data type. Same way you go for the rest of them, you can check it here. Like here I want like n1 equals to, I gave like some decimal value. Okay, I just print here, print like type function, and here I given n1. So you can see float data type. Suppose I want a string, so I take a string str1. Like I say, hello dk student. I just print here and I check a type. So see type and str1, so string data type. And suppose I want to check it here like complex, so I given here like n3 n2. Okay, and I given here like 3, say 2, say anything, whatever you want, print type, and you have to take it here n2. Okay, so this is where you can check a data type, which kinds of data type is it. So you, with the help of the type function, you can check the which kinds of data type is it. Okay, so this that's it for today. Then rest of we going to see in the next video, next session. So I hope you like it. Thank you so much.